Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing fried chicken and sweet potato fries very fast. So we're going to go ahead and marinate our chicken. We're going to add in our spices as well as some buttermilk and some hot sauce. Give it a quick mix around and let it sit for 24 hours. Next thing we're going to do is set up our coating. So with a mixture of flour and breadcrumbs, we're going to add some of our spices and give it a quick whisk. Once all of our chicken is coated, we're going to get a heavy bottom pot filled with some canola oil 3/4 of the way. We're going to bring it up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius, and we're going to go ahead and start with our drumsticks. Drumsticks will take less time than thighs. It'll be about 15 minutes for drums and probably closer to 18 to 19 minutes for the thighs. We're going to make sure we give them a little bit of a mix about halfway through to make sure they're not sticking to each other or the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to go ahead and start with some sweet potato fries. Only 3 or 4 minutes for the sweet potato fries to get them nice and crispy. I used frozen ones. Once you got that all set, you can continue on with the thighs, and like I said, to keep them in longer. And that'll be it for today, guys. We'll see you next week.